Morning guys. Today, excuse me, to clear my throat, I'm down at Cold House Fault, my local patch. Just out for a wander, see what's about. I thought I'd take you along and see what we can see. So it's a little bit overcast. It's not as windy as it has been. So the ground's still quite damp from all that rain we had yesterday. But yeah, thought I'd go and have a wander around the fault, probably up the seawall, and see what's about. I thought I'd take you along. Hope you enjoy. Just over there is the cafe. It's called the engine room cafe. There's a lovely bit of tucker in there. So if you're ever about walking around the fault and you fancy a bite to eat, here's your place. They do all manner of food in there. They do a really nice cheese toast actually. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's just show you this information board. A little bit about the fault. If you want to pause that and have a read through. There's another information board there. That was nice. Just bumped into a guy I used to go to school with. I thought I recognised his face. Yeah, that was nice to have a little chat, if you do. So there's one of the moats we've got over at Cold House Fault. Can be good for little grebes. There's nothing on there at the moment. Yeah, so plenty of bird song at the moment. This is one of the moats we've got. There's water vole present in there, but I mean I've never seen one myself, but I've seen burrows, I've seen the signs of them, so I'm always looking in there. You never know, you might spot one. I mean, I know they're there. A friend of mine spotted one in there a couple of years ago, so I've got some photos to show me, because she knows I love my water voles. So let's have a little look, see if we can spot any. I just heard a plop. Could be a water vole. No, it's a little egret. Sometimes when the water vole jump, they make like a plopping sound. And then when they're swimming, they create like a V shape as well. Oh well, caught out by egret, little egret. There's a couple of burrows down there on that side. And there's some stems that have been cut at a 45-degree angle. That's a sure sign of water voles. Yeah, there's quite a few there actually. Let's try and zoom in on my phone. Yeah, just there. Yeah, definitely water vole burrows. I've just come out into the salt marsh now, up by the radar tower. Some people call it a water tower. Yeah, tide's out anyway, so I thought I'd have a quick look, see what I can see on the foreshore there. Oh, there's some other sets out there. You didn't call it. Yeah, there's 4 I can see. Oh, let's try and get some shots of the other set for you to look at. Oh, I completely messed that up. Wasn't quick enough. I got some flight shots, but wrong settings. I was well overexposed, but I might be able to brighten them down a little bit, you know, editing. So yeah. Well, I was going to wait till this bloke moves away a bit further, and I'm going to start walking up the wall there. Seawall. It's quite a pleasant morning actually. Nice to change, there's no wind. Yeah, it's quite nice. So apart from the other sets, it's pretty quiet on the tide line. Yeah, but it is nice. It's a lovely morning. I was regretting putting my jacket on there. Yeah, I am regretting putting my jacket on. It's starting to turn out quite a nice morning. Now the sun's come out. That's changed, hasn't it? So you've got to make the most of it, haven't you? There's plenty of white throat about, I can hear. There's one just over there somewhere. It's always worth checking out this little waterway for water vole as well. There's plenty of burrows down there. Right, so this is the other moat we've got, which can be good for little grebes. See the occasional kingfisher as well. Yeah, so that's one moat, and that's the other one. And we're right on the River Thames as well. So it's a mixed habitat over at Coldhouse. We've got the triple SI. We've got these salt marshes, where occasionally you get the marsh harriers. There's abundance of little egrets. Just seen a couple of swallows. Last year, not last year, the year before, we had a couple of short-eared owls. Nothing this year. Well, I did see one earlier on in the year. Actually, my friend managed to film one 4 days ago. So there is one still about. So yeah, it's flat calm on there. It's lovely. I like the old reflections you get from the trees in the fort. They can make some nice landscape shots. But I've only got my big lens today, so You still take them on your phone though. Phone's just as good. It can be. Right, so I'm up the other end of the moat now. Just coming up to the start of the seawall. Have a slow walk along the wall there, see what we can see. The Coalhouse Fort can get quite busy at the weekends when it's nice weather. I mean, today there's a few people about, but not many, so it's nice. It's nice that you get local people come up to the fort. Don't get me wrong. You get a few people come up from London visiting. It can be very tourist there sometimes, at some points. But yeah, it's nice. It's a bit quiet today. There's a few dog walkers out. Yeah, a few dog walkers out. Hopefully picking up a dog mess. Oh yeah. Right, so I'm just up near the seawall. I'm going to have a slow walk along now and see what we can see. Right, so at the start of the seawall. So this is part of the coast path. There's a little bit of information, wildlife you can see. You can pause that and have a read through if you like. Common lizard. So Triple SI is renowned for skylark and common spotted orchids. Obviously you get your adder's, you get your marsh harriers. So yeah, I think there's the old spotted orchids are starting to show now. I might nip down there, see if I can get some photos for you. Normally you get thousands down there. So yeah, I think they're starting to come through now. But we're going to have a look anyway. I just had a lovely white throat singing. He's up quite high in a bramble bush. Yeah, got some nice shots of that. I'll show you in the gallery later. What a fantastic time of year now. Listen carefully, you can hear reed wobblers, chiff chaff. I just heard a sedge wobbler. Absolutely alive with bird life. That's better. Take my jacket off. Starting to get a bit of a sweat on. It's lovely. There's no wind. It's nice light. And I'm enjoying being out listening to all the different bird song. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm going to check out the Triple SI a bit later, see if there's any orchids up yet. I think there was a couple last time starting to come through. Yeah, I'm going to check out the scrape first anyway. Just have a mooch up and down the seawall, see what we can see. Sit up for a little bit, take it all in. Right, so right over there, on that little bit of a reed bed, there's a sedge wobbler. And he's set right up high on a reed stem. I've got some shots in for you. So he was in full song a minute ago. I mean, I was going to try and get a little bit closer, but I don't want to disturb it. Hopefully I'll be able to pick this up. But the reed, this bit of reed down here, it's here, sedge wobbler, 2 sedge wobbler. There's a few reed wobbler in there as well. There you go. And that's just that small section. So it helps a lot when it's not windy. You can hear all the different birds that are in the marsh. And all the different bird song. There's another reed wobbler. A few shell ducks on the scrape. I think the swan may be on eggs now as well. Sort of in the middle over there, middle of the scrape. Yes, lovely. Father Thames. Yeah, hopefully my phone's going to pick up all these different bird sounds. Or bird song, I should say. So I might go down that side in a bit. So I'm a little bit closer to the marsh, so I'll get some recordings for you. I've got a lovely orange tip just down there. There he is. Just there. And then just to the right is a cabbage white. Let's see how close we can get. Yeah, it's turned out a really nice day. So I've just been standing now by the seawall for about 45 minutes, just taking it all in. So I've managed to get some images of a whitethroat, seen a kestrel. There's a few gulls floating about. I don't know what they're up to, but there's quite a few gulls over there. Yeah, really nice. River's flat calm. Oh, there's an egret. There he goes. Really nice light as well for photography. I'm glad to come out now. I've seen a wall brown as well, actually. I tried to get some images, but it was too quick. So I kept my eyes out for wall brown right there. So tides on the flood now. That's pushing everything up this way. There's a few black-tailed gobbler out there. There's a couple of curlew. Oh no, there's 3 curlew. They're just down there, look. Hopefully my phone will pick them up. Here's a black-tailed gobbler. So, about 200 or something like that, maybe. And curlew are just down there. Oh, 3 have a set.